Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear all lens data on your accounts on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now you will find here lenses. Click on it, and here as you see you will find clear all lens data. Click on it, and here just click clear and it will be cleared. And that's how to clear lens data, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.